After a tired day at work, you come home and observe that your skin is all dried, dull, and has lost its glow. You feel that your skin needs a pampering. For pampering my skin, I use the age revitalizing products from Vasu Healthcare. The Vasu's sugar scrub and the facial beauty oil to give my skin its natural glow. After washing my face, I gently massage my face with Vasu's sugar scrub, which is enriched with 22 herbs, Kumkumadi and vitamin E. This helps to eliminate the dirt, gives my skin intense moisturization, and adds a glow to my face. With just one use, I can really feel moisturized and my skin feels brightened up. After scrubbing my face, I gently massage with 2 to 3 drops of the Vasu facial beauty oil, a perfect Kumkumadi on my face and neck, which helps to boost the collagen, improve my skin's elasticity, and also this helps me to reduce my age spots. There is a beautiful glow on my face and my skin feels plumped up. I can really see a difference just after a use. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below.